Honorable viewers, I welcome to my channel Department of English. Today I am going to share with you types of communication. So let's get started. There are several different ways we share information with one another. For example, you might use verbal communication when sharing a presentation with a group. You might use written communication when applying for a job or sending an email. Here's a more in-depth look at the four main categories of communication. Number one, verbal. Verbal communication is the use of language to transfer information through speaking or sign language. It is one of the most common types, often used during presentations, video conferences, and phone calls, meetings, and one-on-one conversations. Verbal communication is important because it is efficient. It can be helpful to support verbal communication with both non-verbal and written communication. Non-verbal. Number two. Non-verbal communication is the use of body language, gestures, and facial expressions to convey information to others. It can be used both intentionally and unintentionally. For example, we might smile unintentionally when we hear a pleasing or enjoyable idea or piece of information. Nonverbal communication is helpful when trying to understand others' thoughts and feelings. If they are displaying closed body language such as crossed arms or hunched shoulders, they might be feeling anxious, angry, or nervous. If they are displaying open body language with both feet on the floor and arms by their side or on the table, they are likely feeling positive and open to information. Number three, written. Written communication is the act of writing, typing, or printing symbols like letters and numbers to convey information. It is helpful because it provides a record of information for reference. Writing is commonly used to share information through books, pamphlets, blogs, letters, memos, and more. Emails and chats are a common form of written communication in the workplace. Number four, visual. Visual communication is the act of using photographs, art, drawings, sketches, charts, and graphs to convey information. Visuals are often used as an aid during presentations to provide helpful context alongside written and or verbal communication. Because people have different learning styles, visual communication might be more helpful for some to consume ideas and information. Dear viewers, we have another one, that is listening. So you can read that.